You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this city in Washington State, United States. If you want to learn more vocabulary and more French names of cities in the US, stay tuned. You found the right channel. Bellevue, Washington. Yes, I've put the phonetics spelling on your screen. Belle, view, and it literally means in French, beautiful view. Belle is French for beautiful. Vue is French for view. Bellevue would be the French pronunciation Bellevue, but in this case it's not pronounced Bellevue but Bellevue. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.